He's here finally. We're gonna go ahead and do a nice walk around of his whip. Check it out. Yeah, this is nice. That's good. That's good right there. Alright, so I'll let him know. I'll put his IG in the description below, and also I'll put it right up here. Make sure you guys follow him and ask him any questions. If you have any questions for him, feel free to ask him, follow him, and DM him. So we'll go ahead, start from the back real quick. So you got the emblems blacked out?
Yeah, I got them chrome deleted.
Nice. The emblems are blacked out, glossy black. Looks pretty awesome. Same thing with the Honda Accord emblem, blacked out. It's with the wrap or use some kind of spray?
Oh, it was like a spray.
Spray, right? Yeah. Alright, so this was used to do it with a spray. It looks pretty awesome. This got the Akasaka quad tips down here. It's pretty awesome. It's aggressive. If you guys are looking to get those, look at that. Closer. And the bottom, you got a diffuser, Akasaka diffuser. That's how it looks. It goes all the way from here. So it's a full line right there. That's how it would look. I would definitely get one. They're pretty nice, aggressive, because it blends in with the spoiler he got on top up there. The high kick duckbill spoiler, see that? So it goes in with it, looks really awesome. Blends in. And then it's got the roof spoiler on top, 20% tints, looking great. And the wheel, oh yeah, you got the louvers, just like mine. They look great. I love these.
Yeah.
These are awesome.
It's my favorite.
Yeah. I'm gonna record the other side since it's less sunny on that one. I can see better. Yeah, there you go. You got the window visors, and so the wheel setup. What's up with the wheel setup, bro?
Wheel setup, I have.
They're gonna be asking so many questions.
Yeah. I have 9.5 in the front.
9.5 in the front. Yep.
Yeah, and then I got 10.5 running in the back concave.
So this is 9.5 with the 20-inch wheels, right?
20-inch wheels, yeah.
It's got the coilovers too.
Yep. BC coilovers.
BC coilovers are lowered, and so this is, you said 9.5?
Yeah, 9.5.
And then check this out, 9.5 angle, and then you got a 10.5.
10.5 in the back.
And then we go to 10.5 in the back right here. Look at this one. These are concave right here. See? That's a beautiful setup. Can't go wrong with this.
Yep.
Look at those wheels, they're awesome.
And then chrome delete in the front.
That is nice. And then we'll go ahead to the front real quick.
I did the black.
Black chrome.
It's kind of chippy right now because all them fast cars and kicking rocks and stuff.
That and then long drives too, so it gets in the way.
Yeah.
This chrome delete, I actually like this bumper. I mean, the grill here, I really like this more than the 2021.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, they do it off with the other things that they did.
They kind of kill that mood up here.
So. And the fog light, like, I don't know why they did that single fog light. That's
the 2021 circle fog lights, I don't like them. Yeah. This is great.
That's going to be the Honda that don't sell.
They won't sell that much.
2020 and 2021.
Exactly. We got the overlays on the fog lights. And
I just cut it off.
It's all good. And he's just missing the front lip, guys. That's it.
Yeah, the front lip. The side skirts.
Yeah. So front lips coming, the side skirts coming. And so real quick, but I just love his color. It's so beautiful. It's not like that blue one that you guys see all the time.
Yeah.
This one's different. This
one's
like
a marine blue, like Superman blue. Like you ever seen Superman suit?
That's why you got Superman in there.
Exactly. My favorite character.
That's dope. So
my flag right there, my culture.
Yeah, for sure, bro. And then yeah, this blue is different. It's like a dark blue. It kind of takes the reflection of other cars too. For some, like, I don't know, it looked like it was black from the side, but when it came close up to it, it was like blue. It's very different. So
got I gotta put some more stickers, but I put this
Oh yeah.
Make it look a
So,
little sporty, you know.
Of course. And then yeah, it's 10.5. This is how it looks in the sun. That side was no sun, some shade, so that's how it is in the sun right here.
I'm about to drop it 1 more inch all around.
Yeah, drop 1 inch more.
Yeah.
That's gonna be, yeah, pretty low.
Yeah.
Close
look,
off.
look a little bit more aggressive, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
I love the feeling on the car. Like when you go to sit inside it, it's like feel like a Lamborghini.
Yeah, you're gonna drop it 1 inch is perfect.
Yeah,
It's gonna be nice. The wheels close up in the sun.
I'm like, yo, I need to hit a RedLineMods, yo. I'm always watching the videos. Yo, bro, you real cool, yo. Appreciate you.
Yeah, man,
Really
for sure.
appreciate you.
Yeah, yeah, it's all good. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Comment below. What are you trying to get next?
I want to get the front splitter, the side splitters. I'm actually going to take this off and sell this and try to get a T10 diffuser.
You got a T10 V2 diffuser in the back. That's awesome. Yeah.
And music coming soon. That's about it.
Cool. We'll just do a quick walk around.
I need some performance, but I'll do that later on.
Performance stuff is coming too.
I'm more on looks than performance, you know.
Yeah. No, looks are first.
Yeah, exactly.
See that? Nice. You're missing did you order a front lip yet?
No, I didn't order one yet.
But you gotta careful though, cause you know in New York, it's
real low and a lot of potholes.
Yeah, when you drop it by 1 inch and put in an aggressive lip, it's gonna be like, yo, where do I go? It's a lot of hills.
I need to look like how you got, like something like that.
Well, that's an aggressive one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna be, I don't know, you're gonna break lips, man. And you got the calipers painted, right?
Yep. We got it, painted.
The calipers are painted. So yeah, the front one is 9.5 again, guys. That's how it looks.
The front is not concave as well.
Yeah, it's not concave.
If you go 19 inch, none of your
this is 20 inch.
Those are concave.
Yeah. And then it just, let me come in the middle right here. See, that's the front, and then that's the rear one. That's the setup. But he's gonna drop it by another inch. Comment below what you guys think about it. Yeah, so we're almost done. Yeah, I got your IG in there, so I'll post it. Make sure to follow him on IG and ask him any questions you may have. And I guess we're gonna end it here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I hope you enjoy the content.
He's awesome, dude.
And yeah, see, you're already saying it for me. So definitely, guys, thanks for supporting me, and I appreciate the support. So stay tuned and keep watching. More awesome content is going to be dropping soon. That's about it, guys. Peace out.